Hello, Kartapult users! In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of creating search term campaign using the Kartapult Google Ads Manager. To start, click on Google. Then, select the Campaign Manager. From here, proceed by clicking on Create Campaign. Next, enter the campaign name. Set your budget. You can then select your desired focus metrics. Following this, input the target CPA for your campaign. You'll then be able to view the customer acquisition, the search network, and you can even include Google search partners. Next, select the languages and locations for your campaign. You can also set your target audience and specify the campaign duration. A tracking template can be set, and custom parameters can be added. If you need more custom parameters, they can be added or deleted by clicking on the plus symbol. Once you've completed these steps, click on Next. The next step is to enter the ad group name and input the types of keywords you need. Then enter the final URL and the display path. You can then input your headlines and add more if needed. Descriptions can be entered next. Additional descriptions can be added by clicking here. Site links can be selected, and callouts can be chosen. If you wish to create a new site link, click on Create Site Link and add a new site link. To create a callout, click here. You can then select the promotion. Preview your ad by clicking here. You can view the desktop variant by clicking here. Finally, publish your ad by clicking on Publish. And there you have it. Your ad and campaign are now published.